Hello and what is up, everybody? I want you guys to come along with me as I run into this hidden gem that is located right here in Olive Branch, Mississippi. It is called the Vinyl Room. It is one of my favorite places to shop. So we are going to go in and do a little small mini vlog so you guys can see what all of the hype is about. So let's go. All right, guys, so this is the Vinyl Room, like I said, here in Olive Branch, Mississippi. So we are going to go in, and I just want you guys to see all of the items that they have in here. When I say this place is huge, it is huge. So this is where I like to go if I want to just get a couple of t-shirts. As you can see, they have t-shirts, they have sweaters, they have baseball shirts. I mean, they have a little bit of everything. This is actually one of their new locations, but this is what I really want to show you guys. We have been talking about DTFs, so when I say you can come and get DTF prints, I mean just that. They have a little bit of everything. They try to keep seasonal items, which is so wonderful, and their prints start at $5.99. Well, they don't start at $5.99 because they do have kid size prints, and they start at actually $3.99. And we'll get into all of that, of course, but I just wanted you to see all of the wonderful DTF prints that you can actually purchase to help when you are starting your t-shirt business. Look at this. Look. Oh my goodness. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you will know that I do have this design, which is great. This is another one that I also have. Yes, these are beautiful prints, boots on the ground. Like I said, they are very affordable, and it's just a great way to start your DTF business. So let's go ahead and continue with the tour. I actually just came in because I need to grab a t-shirt. As you can see, very organized, and this is a Saturday, you guys, so it appears to be quite a light day here in the shop. As you can see, their shirts are a little more costly here. Short sleeve, small through extra large, $3.25. 2X start at $5. So it is actually a little bit more than I would like to pay. But as you can see, the variety of colors is unmatched, and that is what I love about them. So I actually need a burgundy shirt. So that is what I am looking for in a size large. So those are mediums. Everything is so organized with the sizes, which is super fantastic. I am going to go with this burgundy color, which is labeled as maroon, which is exactly what I need. So that is what I am doing, you guys. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what it looks like. What about the colors? When I say amazing colors, but not only that, oh my goodness, they have Stanley cups available. They have bowls, more Stanley cups, which is amazing. I mean, when I say just shirts, they have shirts, more Stanley cups, amazing. And they also have supplies, lots of Stanley cups, as you can see. And I am pretty sure that they are not as expensive as the Stanley cups that you get. So all kind of items that you can sublimate on. If you are ever here in Olive Branch, Mississippi, the Vinyl Room is definitely a place to visit. Tie-dye color shirts. I mean, just a little bit of everything. So I just wanted to do this little mini vlog to show you exactly where I go in my city to get quick little prints, get little DTF designs. So I'm saying all of this to say, make sure you be on the lookout in your city for these little shops like this that you can go and pick up t-shirts, you can pick up DTF transfers. And another thing I do like about this Vinyl Room is that they do custom orders. So if you want to do custom DTF prints, they will print them off for you. So a lot of you have shown interest in wanting to start a t-shirt business. So what I have done, I have a list of the items that you will need to get started. So I am going to leave a link in the description of this video showing you exactly everything that you are going to need. So this will be your first step, getting this supply list, okay? So it is going to be filled with every single detail of what you are going to need to start your business. Like I said, I am going to leave a link. So that list is going to be really important when you are starting your t-shirt business. It will give you every single supply that you will need, even supplies that you will not need to get started. But I do want to go ahead and put that out. And what this will do is it will allow me, for those who are serious and not just curious, it will allow me and you to connect outside of this channel, you guys. So I can definitely reach you who want to go ahead and get started making t-shirts, okay? So like I said, go to the description, go ahead and click that link, go ahead and get this supply list, and let's stay in contact. Let's go ahead and get our business started. Let's get these coins, you guys. As always, I appreciate you guys so much for trusting me. Stay with me, guys. Everything that I do, everything that I learn, I am going to bring it back to you. We are going to grow together. I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for trusting me, as I said. And this is going to be a great year, because there is no reason for us to be sitting around waiting for the next big holiday to sell baskets, you guys. We can pivot. We can actually add different things in our business. And I think this would be a great thing to add, making t-shirts, the DTF method, which means direct to film. Like, I cannot wait to create this program. It is just going to be amazing. It's going to be packed and filled with so many goodies. So like I said, go ahead and grab your free supply list. The link will be in the description of this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and make sure you drop me some hearts in the comments. Do not forget, you should have already hit that like button, but just in case you haven't, I would love for you to hit the like button. I would love for you to subscribe if you are not subscribed to the channel. Here on this channel, we love to have fun, we love to network, and we just support each other. And I appreciate that so much. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video.